Hello YouTube, how to create a live Linux from USB stick. You will need your USB stick, desktop computer, VMware, and the ISO of your choice. So download VMware Player, go in your browser and punch it in. Download it straight from the website. Download for free. Now choose version 16. It has to be 16 or newer. So download now, just wait until it's done and install it. So right click on your download, run as administrator, and again this method will not work with versions newer than 16.2. I tried it on 15, it didn't work. It may work with something in between. Just try it anyway. Accept the terms if you agree with it. And I usually don't check for updates or join the customer experience. I don't know what that is. Create shortcuts, it's up to you. This is going to take a few seconds just for installing the software. And again, I have tried this with a couple versions of Linux. It worked with 3 of them, and I will be doing Linux Mint for the purpose of this video. So go straight to the Linux Mint website, click on download, and choose the mirror that is closest to you. It's Manitoba for me. Now your download might take a while. So open your software, VM workstation, and create new virtual machine. Install from ISO, browse it to where you downloaded it, or if you already have it, and click next. Now there's going to be a Linux operating system. Name it whatever you want, and for the size it can be 0.001, the smallest. The store is a single file, very important. Now if you will be using a USB 3, you have to turn this on. So you go to USB controller and turn on 3.1. Now start the blank VM. Start Linux Mint. It's booting from your ISO that you just downloaded, and this is why it can be 0.001 gigabytes, since it's just going to load from your ISO anyways. And once it's done loading, you have to connect your physical USB stick, 16 gigabytes or more. It has to be blank. Make sure you backed up whatever you had there. It's going to be white. So go to Player, Removable Devices, choose your USB stick and click OK. You should now see it on your desktop right there. That means it's connected. That means this is going to work. So now just click on Install Linux Mint. And it is the same for most distributions nowadays. Might be a little different from the one you choose, but as long as it has this live type of setup, it should work with whatever you pick. So language, and select your keyboard layout. Multimedia codec, I usually don't install that. I'm not really too sure what it does or if it's actually needed. Installation type, something else, is quite important. So your USB stick is showing up there as NTFS because I did it from Windows. Delete that and now create something new from just click on the plus, and external 4 is the format you want, mount point dash, click OK. So now your USB stick has been wiped, and you can now select it for installing your Linux distribution. Choose your location and choose your name that you want your physical USB Linux distribution to be named. So just pick whatever you want, your name, someone else's name, your pet's name. Confirm your password, and require to log in if it's going to be important, otherwise just go automatic. I didn't choose the USB 3 option because I'm doing it from a very old USB stick, as it could be wrecked, you never know. And because it's very old, it copies at maybe 3 megabytes per second. And this whole operation, I left it overnight, and it seems that it took about 4 to 5 hours. I have tried it with USB 3, it's very fast. So you can continue testing, and that is all. Your USB stick should be ready to boot. Thank you for watching.